Well, hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to any newcomers. We are here fooling around with this mini lathe. I'm in the new shop. Got it most of the way set up. Honestly, got a saw in here in that cart that I tore down last night. If you don't have one of these carts, then I'm probably going to buy another one, if not two more. Not for in here, but maybe one for the other shop. But super handy. My other shop, the floor in it, the cement kind of turned to sand, and if you drop a screw, you better have a magnet handy to find the thing to go fishing for it. But completely off topic, but I just wanted to share that. If you're a track club member, or you can pick one of these up on sale, highly recommend it. Handiest thing I've picked up yet to date, I think. But we may or may not show some things on that saw. It's a little top handle. I'm pretty sure I have it sold once I get it cleaned up and ported and back together. But that's a video for another day. But before I do any more real machine work, this thing's got to be lined out. I'd always had a problem with the tailstock. I knew something wasn't right, just wasn't 100% sure what it was. In that last little video I done on it, which there's quite a bit of people watched, it's still getting some attention. A lot of you guys were right. They should list these as a kit. I'm sure some of them come just, which I mean, don't get me wrong, I ran this one right out of the box, but figuring out what the issue was, what it was, I had a lot of trouble keeping the tailstock tied on it. Some of the stuff in the top for the your center that goes in it had stripped out, and I think a lot of it is just because the tailstock was sitting too tall. It probably a good, 30-40 thousandths from being dead centered, but luckily it's not that big of an issue. Well, it is, but it's going to require me changing chucks and changing the the jaws out in my other chuck. I do have a 4-jaw, but it's a self-centering. Next purchase, once I get this lined out, is going to be an independent 4-jaw. Just for certain projects that we'll be doing, but my other shop had a lot of moisture in it back last month when everybody got that big freezing spell and the snow and everything, and that chuck had never done that until then. It just, I don't know, I'm gonna have to polish it up. It kind of looks like crap, but these tailstocks come apart. It's not that hard either. There's a bunch of set screws and just, Allen head screws, or hex, whatever you want to call them. It's all metric, a little bitty stuff, like I think like 2 millimeter. Don't quote me on that, but this comes off. Maybe the phone will pick it up. You can even see there, like, I don't know, like it should have been taken on down. If the phone will focus, you can kind of see it there, I think. That's what I'm going to take off first, which looks like to be about 30 thousandths. I'm going to start taking 20-30 thou off, and I don't have to assemble it the whole way. I'll just throw a center in the chuck over here and kind of piece this back together and see if we can get that thing dialed in. But I'm not going to fool with it tonight. It'll be another evening, but I know there was a lot of you had, questioned that, and there wasn't a lot of ideas on how to fix it other than getting another tailstock. I can get one. I can order one. It's coming from China for about $150. I really don't want to do that because, you know what? It could be the same old deal. And honestly, the other half of this thing's cast aluminum. I wouldn't have thought that, but this little block weighs as much as that whole piece, honestly, or at least it feels like it does. But kind of a pointless video, but maybe not. Still got to deal with the switch. And when I came in here and went to checking things, I'd honestly figured out that about half of every screw in the thing had fell out of it almost. So got it bolted down good and secure. Decided to put my bench grinder there, drill press here. This is kind of a machining area. I'd really like to have a small end mill, but I've got to get caught back up from doing this building by itself. It'll take me probably a better part of a year to get caught back up from doing it. Thinking the Fordhams are going to hang here. And it's warm and nice out. I've actually been painting outside, but there goes the crotch rocket crew. Any warm day they're out. I don't blame them, I guess, but they don't need to come through here 120 miles an hour either. It's a really crowded area at times, but chain grinders may be right here. Originally hadn't planned on putting anything, but not that big of a deal. I kind of wish I would have put a receptacle over here, but we can pick up a little extension cord to run over and run the grinders. But anyway, guys, if you hadn't seen the rest of it, and if you're new, again, welcome. I've been working on this thing since probably about mid-late October or something. I'd looked and I'd sent some pictures to a family member back in November, and I just got the windows and the siding up on it. So it is what it is. I don't get too carried away on getting in a hurry on doing anything, but the wife had pointed out this was her end she done, and this was my end, but she honestly came in and helped go back over everything. So again, thanks to her. But it's good having a really supportive spouse and doing all of this stuff. But anyway, guys, this building was mainly for the channel, for better video quality. I'll still be doing projects and working on things in the other shop. It's not like we're closing the doors up on it, but this was to make the videos a little better and make things a little easier on me on some of these, I guess, more high-end or more expensive, more costly projects. But anyway, guys, as always, thank y'all for watching, and I hope I don't have red paint all over me. It's possible, but y'all have a great day.